What if you could press a button and have a fully functioning affiliate store that drives thousands of free buyers to itself? Would that interest you? If you answered yes, then please give your full undivided attention for the next few minutes. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, more people than ever before are staying home and shopping online. E-com in the U.S. alone is expected to explode to $5.63 trillion in 2021. And there's never been a better time for you to launch your own e-com affiliate store. With your own e-com affiliate store, you can take a huge shortcut to making money compared to other traditional e-com methods you've seen before that require you to deal with suppliers, carry inventory, and spend a bunch of money up front. And today, you're going to have the opportunity to get your very own e-com affiliate store launched and loaded with hot products and ready to make you money in just 2 minutes or less with just a few clicks of your mouse. Introducing Instant Profit Stores, a brand new cloud-based affiliate store builder app that automatically adds 50 of the best-selling products online from Walmart, Best Buy, AliExpress, eBay, and Amazon to your very own done-for-you e-com affiliate store. Affiliates are raking in billions of dollars in profits from these top online marketplaces, and now you'll have everything you need to cash in on the multi-trillion-dollar e-com gold rush with just a few clicks of your mouse. With Instant Profit Stores, you'll be able to launch your e-com affiliate store that's fully loaded with 50 top-selling products in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Activate your new e-com affiliate store that's automatically loaded with 50 top-selling products. This only takes 2 minutes or less. Step 2. Turn on the free viral traffic attraction system. This only requires a few clicks to get free traffic flowing. With Instant Profit Stores, there's no complicated store building. You don't have to spend countless hours scouring the web to find hot products for your store. There's no importing products, no dealing with suppliers, no trying to figure out complicated API codes. You don't have to worry about buying inventory or finding a place to store things. You don't have to go to the post office to ship orders out. You never have to handle any customer service issues, and you don't have to spend money on ads. Everything is 100% done for you, and you get paid every time a sale is made. It takes less than 2 minutes and just a few clicks of your mouse, and you'll have your very own e-com affiliate store up and running. Your new e-com affiliate store comes loaded with best-selling products. Your store is fully optimized using cutting-edge conversion technology and a built-in autopilot lead capture system to make you even more money. Plus, when you get Instant Profit Stores now, we're also including a built-in viral traffic attraction system. To activate your traffic, simply click your mouse a few times, and within minutes, you'll have free viral traffic coming to your e-com affiliate store with a credit card in hand and ready to spend money. With Instant Profit Stores, you get to choose from 8 done-for-you store themes right inside the cloud-based dashboard. Every store theme looks professional, and because you're selling products from well-known vendors like Best Buy, Walmart, eBay, AliExpress, and Amazon, your visitors instantly trust you and are ready to buy right away. Just look at the money we're making from our own e-com affiliate stores and 100% free traffic. You don't need your own website, you don't need an email list, and you don't need an ad budget. You don't even need a hosting account of your own because we securely host your e-com affiliate store in the cloud. That means there's never anything to update, and you don't need any technical skills or prior e-com experience to start making money today. Because we want to give you everything you need to make money right out of the gates, we're also giving you access to a step-by-step video training and powerful bonuses that will help you make even more money with Instant Profit Stores. The real-world value of everything you get with Instant Profit Stores today is at least thousands. But the good news is, you won't pay anywhere near that when you jump in on this now. For a very limited time, we've eliminated the monthly fee and reduced the price to make this affordable for you, so you can get started today. So right now, you get everything for a low, one-time payment. To lock in your discount and claim your free bonuses, click the button below right now. But don't wait around. The price goes up soon, and if you close this page and come back later, you'll end up paying a lot more than you have to.